Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add business hours to your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Re- uh, you must log into your Facebook page. Okay, not your regular Facebook account. You have to log into your Facebook page. You can see on top, you'll find here your Facebook page name and your Facebook profile name. Or you have to click on the Facebook page name, that it will switch to your Facebook page account. Then you have to click on this Facebook page name, which is top left corner. Click on this, and you have to click on this about, which is beside the post option. Scroll down till you find add hours. Here click on add hours. Then you can add open on selected hours. Then you can open your selected hours from here and closing hour from here. Okay, here's that date and time. You can change according to your need. Okay guys, after that you have to click on save. So this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.